Hello class, this is my solution to tackling this week's problem of the week. So let's begin. So we have a dealer packages marbles in two different box sizes. One box holds 5 marbles and the other box holds 12 marbles. In total there should be 99 marbles and used more than 10 boxes. The question becomes, the main question we're looking for is how many boxes of each size did he use? So I've already started the problem here by showing you that we're actually looking for a set of numbers. We're looking for F is the number of 5 marble boxes and T is the number of 12 marble boxes. Now when it says more than 10, that becomes a rather difficult problem. So for now, we're going to narrow it down to just, let's say, 10, exactly 10 boxes. So if there are to be 10 boxes, the equation we're going to be working with is F plus T equals 10. If this doesn't quite make sense to you, I'll show you how we tackle this, or we'll illustrate this. Let's say that they have one box that's exactly 5 marbles. Oops. So it would be one of these boxes. Okay. Now, if there are 10 boxes in total, how many of these boxes should there be? Well, it could be 9. So let's illustrate this. So it could be 1, 2, or 4, or let's move this across, or 8. That's 8, and that's 9. So if there's one box that contains 5 marbles, there must be 9 boxes that contain 12 marbles. See, that's 1 plus 9 equals 10. But if, for example, there were 2 of these, so let's double this, there must be 8 of these boxes. So I need to remove 1. So no matter how many boxes there are, there must be, how many of each boxes there must be in total 10 boxes. That's what this illustration shows. Okay, let's leave it here for now. Let's continue to the next part of this question. It says now that if the dealer packaged 99 marbles, okay, well, how many boxes must there be? Now let's consider this particular example we saw. It showed that there must be, has to be 5 marbles in each of these. Let's use a orange circle for this. Here's 1, 2, 4. Let's do actually 12 first. That's 4, 8, 12. So in each of these, there are 12 marbles. This is just one example. This is 12 marbles. Let's keep going. And in the other one, there should only be 5 marbles. Let me just erase one of these. There we go. So in this other one, there are 5 marbles in each. Now let's take a look at how many marbles. So let's just take this example. So there are 2 boxes of 5 and 8 boxes of 12. How many marbles do we have in total? Where in this, it's going to be 2 times 5 plus 8. Well, actually, no, sorry. There are 8 boxes times, in each of them, there are 12 marbles. Okay. So let's take a look at how much this is. Let's calculate this now. 2 times 5 plus 8 times 12. So this is 106 marbles in total. Now this is too much. So it can't be 2 of these and 8 of these. So from this point, we could just keep, like, testing numbers and see how we go. Okay, so let's actually just move up 1 for this. So let's say instead of 2 of these, let's say that there were 3 instead. Remember, if there were 3 of these, that can only be the case if there are 7 of these boxes, of the 12 boxes, or 12 marble boxes, sorry. Whoops, not duplicate. Let's delete this. Let's delete this. Now let's calculate how many there are in this one. So this is going to be 3 times 5 marbles in each, plus 7 times, and in each of these there are 12 marbles. Let's calculate this. Now remember, our goal, as it's stated in the question, there should be 10 boxes, which is what we did. And now we're trying to find a number that holds exactly 99 marbles. Okay, so let's calculate that one now. So 3 times 5 plus 7 by 12. Well, and there we go. Would you look at that? There are 99 marbles in this example. So in this one, so it says now that there must be 3 5 marble boxes. Let's write this one, 3 5 marble boxes. Whoops. And 7 12 marble boxes. And there is our answer, 3 and 7. Now, this is just one instance where it says 10 boxes, but the question stated specifically that there are more than 10 boxes. Okay, so this is now a good little question. In the next video, I'll demonstrate to you a different method for solving this using simultaneous equations, and address this problem here where it says more than 10 boxes. Hope to see you in the next video, and best of luck.